So welcome back to day 5 of our RC car advent calendar build. So far we've got our little plastic chassis, motor and axle, and that's where we're at to. So we are at day 5. Here we are just here. So let's get this open, see what we have. It looks like it's going to be another axle and motor. And yes, it is. And there we go. So that looks to be front to me. There we are. So what we have here is our front axle. How do I know? Steering knuckles. Unless it's four-wheel steer, which, if it was four-wheel steer, this part back here would have steering knuckles. So that's the front. It also has the little trim dial there, which tells me this isn't going to be proportional. To be fair, it's £50. What was I expecting? But there we are. We're still going to build it. We're still going to thrash the pants off it and see how good it is. So yeah. At this price point, I was kind of hoping it would be proportional. Some of the cars we've tested so far have been cheaper than this advent calendar, and they have been fully proportional. WL Toys K989 enters the chat. This was £35 and is fully proportional. Granted, this is a little rally car or drift car. This is a rock crawler, but still, it's cheaper, fully proportional. This is obviously going to fit on the front here. We can't do it yet because we are waiting for the connector piece, the chassis protector just there, to lock in that front axle, but that is how it's going to go. And there we are. I was hoping this would be a bit more eventful. Obviously, being an advent calendar, you have to go day by day, so we can only film what comes out of the calendar. But anyway, hopefully you're enjoying this so far. They are just quick snippets of a build. And yeah, drop us a like, leave us a comment. If you want to subscribe, do it, completely free. Any interaction you give us, even just the watch, is completely appreciated by myself. I do this channel just for fun and nothing else, and I like RC cars. Anyway, thank you from me. Stay amped. Merry Christmas.